She is the dancing diva of Bollywood, the most impressive, the most expressive Bollywood icon. We truly call her the Chandni of Bollywood. Hold your breath and put your hands together as I invite on stage the Chandni of Bollywood, Sridevi. We have Mr. Rajan Sujnani, the chairman of Elite France and Cristiano, accompanying Sridevi on stage. I request you to please take a walk. Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing the occasion. We're truly honored. And now I would like to invite on stage a choreographer and designer for this fashion segment. Please put your hands together for Rohit K Verma. One more huge round of applause for all the models, for our gorgeous actress Sridevi ji right here on stage. So that taaliyan ho jaye as we thank you one more time. And of course, here's thanking my lovely audience for being a part of this lovely evening. And what can I say? The party's not yet done. Of course, it's time for a cocktail.